Industrial Revolution. Are we prepared? In the history of the world, the two industrial revolutions was took place. The first industrial revolution was took place between 18th to 19th century. It was a time when mostly the rural people become industrial. Iron and textile industries and also the production of the steam engine played the central role of this revolution. The second industrial revolution was took place between 1870 to 1914. It was a time for the production of the pre-existing industries and the expansion of the new ones, such as steel, oil. They firstly used the electrical power to create the mass production. The third industrial revolution was started in 1980s and is still ongoing. It contains various technologies that we are seeing today, mostly the internet, personal computer and information and communication technology. The fourth industrial revolution contained very unique technologies that mostly impact in our social life, industries and businesses and even in human body. It made changes in the fields like robotics, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, blockchain, Internet of Things or etc. It helps us to regenerate the natural resources. It has potential to connect the billions of the people in the World Wide. The Mastering in the Fourth Industrial Revolution is the theme of the World Economical Forum Annual Meeting 2016 that was took place in Switzerland. According to this meeting, it was clear that the Fourth Industrial Revolution has various benefits but with some disruptive effects. The phrase Fourth Industrial Revolution was firstly used in this meeting. In fact, according to the new report, only 14% of CEOs are confident that their organizations are ready to accept the change of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. It's clear that how much work is still needed while accepting the change of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. While 57% of business leaders place their model as a high priority. So the company should learn how to utilize new technologies to create the new models, not only the expansion of the previous one. In fact, there is only one way to accept the change of the Fourth Industrial Revolution is to help and reskill yourself and get information about every new science, innovation and technology. In fact, digitalization has various benefits. It saves our time, money and also makes our life comfortable. The cyber hackers are the main problem in the internet world, but the digitalization can also destroy this problem. Also, there are various fake news and ads are available on the internet, but the digitalization can also remove this problem. In fact, digitalization binds the thread of the transparency and accountability towards us. You have noticed that today the common man also discuss about the country's problem through the internet. So it was the most important benefit of the digitalization that people are connected to each other. You all know that in Israel various agriculture technologies are used. In Israel, intelligent people do farming with expert in new technologies and average people do jobs. But instead of this, their production is higher than India. India is the country of farmers, then why this happen? Only due to the mentality of Indians. We often said that only ignorant people can do farming. We cannot do something big and unique in the agricultural field. But it was truly false. In fact, we should firstly change the mind of our people towards the positiveness about such things. Then our country's development is possible. In South Korea, there are various fighter jets are used. We should also increase the production and the development of the fighter jets in the India also. So it helps us to increase our economical situation and to increase our economical situation and military strength also. And it is very useful for accept the change of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. In fact, India should make development in the fields like software engineering, pharmaceutical technology, biotechnology, nanotechnology or etc. In fact, government should take student place to harness the power of the science, research and innovation. But they failed to do that. And so, Indian students' character trend to very confusing mind. There is no clear concept of science in their mind. And so, today India has very less scientists as compared to other countries. But that students are the future of our India. Then what will happen in future about the India? It goes back or goes ahead of the world. It only depends on our educational system and on our students. So we should make changes in our educational system. It must be practical, not only the theoretical. In fact, our India not become the developed country is only due to some problems. The problems like corruption, high income inequality, internal commotion, lack of literacy and knowledge, uncleanness in our India not make our India the developed country. But instead of this problem, our India is ahead in the world in some manner. Our India is the first country in the Asia and the fourth country in the world who reach near the Mars orbit. We have the second largest IT industry. We have the most intelligent nuclear programs and most dangerous nuclear weapons also. We are the fourth number of the military strength. And to using this strong India the developed country. But it was a time for not only discuss about our country's development, but it was a time for working for our country's development. When every Indian decided to make our India the developed India, then our country's development is possible. And then and only then, we all get ready to accept the change of the 4th Industrial Revolution. Thank you very much for listening my speech carefully and giving me such golden opportunity.